Did you ever think that you would be this successful before you signed up for Colaberry? Did you even realize what the ceiling was or how far you could go?
I would say I didn't realize like how lucrative working in business intelligence would be. When I first signed up, I was like, oh, okay, if I get a job that's like $90,000, that would be great. Like that was cool for me. I didn't even know that a job would pay me like 150. I had no idea that could even occur.
Right. And so that's a pretty awesome transformation. So what's been your biggest purchase? Yeah, we getting all personal. We getting into what's been your biggest purchase thus far?
My biggest purchase, well, you're kind of looking at it.
Oh, your condo downtown
Yes.
skyrise, huh?
Yeah,
You up in the air and you got 2 stories.
that's it. Look, I live in a two-story penthouse loft.
Awesome, awesome. So yeah, you are indeed, this is your place, the good life. You are indeed living the good life, huh?
I am, no complaints. Like I said, and now I get to travel more. I get to do whatever I want. And I'm going to Sweden and like Norway in May. So I'm living the good life.